is more out there for me, more than the simple life of humanity. A place where all live in harmony. Take me to that place I see in my dream.
Hey guys! Welcome back to our vlog. Hi. So we are very early today guys kasi we're spending the holiday. Pupunta kami guys ng Escalante City para magdagat. So samahan nyo kami guys! Guys, after a 2-hour drive from Bacolod City ay andito na kami sa Escalante City. Pumunta kami kanina dun sa wet market para bumili ng fish. Kasi mag-grill kami doon sa floating cottage guys. Yung pupuntahan pala natin is the Caesar Floating Cottage. So pag dito sa Escalante City guys, maraming mga floating cottage.
I booked it last January pa.
Yes.
Kami magbo-book for sure.
Yes.
So I booked it in advance.
And we booked it for 5,000 guys. From 8 AM to 4 PM yung booking time. Guys, we're finally here sa Old Escalante. So this is like 10 minutes from the proper. And dito magagaling guys yung floating cottage natin. So ito yung mga friends / workmates namin. So again guys, yung floating cottage is the Caesar. So it's good for 20 packs pero 9 lang kami. And then we rented it for 5,000. Pero yung floating cottage lang yung included dun sa 5,000. Hi guys! Say hi! Welcome to Escalante! Siyang, careful siyang ha! This is our boat guys. Caesar Floating Cottage. Wow! This is good for 20 packs. Pila ni ka packs gani atong Guys, we're inside the floating cottage na and itong mismong boat ay pupunta doon sa may sandbar. So around mga 15 minutes daw na ride papunta doon sa sandbar. And doon tayo tatambay. Kasi maganda liguan doon. Hello, Shani! Hi, Shang! Here's a kayak, guys, oh. Wow. Tapos may video okay din ito. Yes, you will swim later.
Hi! We are here today.
Hindi kayo mong background dito. Oh!
Yan guys, yung iba mga floating cottage din yan siya. Super. Si MM guys, not feeling well siya. Pero kinaya. Kakayanin.
Sala agan. Guys, it's our only time na sabay kaming lahat mag-off.
Yes, for 2 days.
For 2 days. So, susulitin talaga namin.
Kahit not feeling well. nearby na doon na mga floating cottage. Guys, this is it. The sandbar. Guys, naliligo na nga kami ngayon dito sa sandbar. Ayan sila. Ito guys, yung kayak. Guys, yung maganda pa dito sa floating cottage, may CR sila guys. Which is pretty decent naman. Tapos eto sila kuya, sila na yung nagluluto ng dala namin na foods. Ito si CJ guys, nagpapalipad ng drone.
1, 2, 3.
I know there is more out there for me, more than the simple life of humanity. A place where all live in harmony. Take me to that place I see in my dream.
Guys, this is our current baon. Meron kaming fish na bangus, grilled. Then grilled squid. We have grilled pork, shrimp. We have chicken adobo. Tapos may kinilaw na fish. Then bumili din sila guys ng swaki. This one. Ng watermelon. So medyo gutom na guys kasi it's almost 12. Pero nagsiswimming pa yung iba. Lunchtime guys. Here's our food. Ito guys, yung sandbar. So, dyan na kami naligo kanina. Ngayon, high tide na kasi. Pag low tide, talagang makikita mo yung sandbar. Sobrang linaw din ng tubig. Guys, we're now going back to Escalante, Old Escalante Port. So far,
It's 4 p.m. na guys.
Yes.
So far, we enjoyed a lot. Sulit talaga yung bayad namin.
enjoyed the sandbar gyud. And then guys, for those na mag-inquire, nasa Facebook sila.
I-insert na lang siguro namin dito sa
lalagay ko sa description box yung Facebook page nila.
Then mas mabuti guys, especially if may mga occasions like ganito Holy Week, so you book ahead. So nag-book kami mga 3 months ahead.
January.
So we book last January. So nakuha talaga namin yung slot.
Yes, perfect.
Perfect.
And after this, balik na naman tayo ng Bacolod. Magdadrive na naman ng another 2 hours. So yun guys, sayang kasi pet friendly ito sila, pwede yung mga fur babies. Kaya lang, hindi na namin sila dinala kasi baka ma-stress. Kasi nga maingay sa boat and then mainit.
Ngayon yung heat stroke.
Yeah, mainit.
Mainitan sila.
Oo, so hindi na lang namin sila dinala for their own safety.
Please time, Joy. Yeah!
Mga swaki. Ang dami. Guys, na-enjoy ra? Sulit ra?
Magtanaw na ko sa amin ba? Itumas ko din. Magtanaw yun ako dinado ko.
Sulit.
Hi!
Hi! Na mga fresh na ba, oy? Ay!
Sabi ko gusto ko ni Kuya ba?
Yun lang guys yung vlog namin for today. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung video natin ngayon. From me and MM. Don't forget to subscribe guys.